Hello children, in the previous video we have finished with the book exercises of lesson 1, Love the Creator. Now as I told you that you have to make one copy for moral science. So take out your moral science copy, take out a new page, write the date on the left side of the margin, write lesson 1 on the first line. On the second line, write the name of the lesson, Love the Creator. Now we will start with question number 1. Write some ways in which we can express our love for God. Write some ways in which we can express our love for God. The answer is, we can express our love for God in the following ways. A part is prayer, B is helpfulness, C is caring for birds and animals, D is caring for others, E is respect for everyone, F is studying well, and G is protecting nature. Now let's move on to question number 2. Name the gifts given by God. I will repeat the question. Name the gifts given by God. The answer is, first one is parents, next is birds, next is animals, then plants, sun, moon, planets, flowers. I will repeat the answer once again. The gifts which are given to us by God are parents, birds, animals, plants, sun, moon, planets, flowers. Children, make sure that you write it neatly and you write correct spellings. Don't make any mistake. Now the next question is question number 3. What is the moral of the lesson, Love the Creator? I will repeat the question. What is the moral of the lesson, Love the Creator? The answer is, write moral, then write God is the creator of everything. God is the creator of everything. The spelling of creator are C-R-E-A-T-O-R. Now let's move on to question number 4. Who is the creator of everything? Who is the creator of everything? The answer is, God is the creator of everything. God is the creator of everything. Now question number 5. What has God blessed us with? What has God blessed us with? The answer is, God has blessed us with hundreds of gifts like parents, plants, etc. God has blessed us with hundreds of gifts like parents, plants, etc. Now question number 6 is fill in the blanks. Number 1 is, children, these fill-ups are not given at the end of the lesson. I am making you write from within the lesson. I already made you mark in the book, but still I have written in the copy, so you have to write in the copy also. Number 1 is, God has blessed us with hundreds of dash. The answer is gifts. God has blessed us with hundreds of dash. The answer is gifts. GIFTS. Second is everything in this world is created by dash. The answer is God. Everything in this world is created by dash. The answer is God. God, G will be capital. Next is we must spend enough time for dash. The answer is prayer. I will repeat this fill up. We must spend enough time for dash. The answer is prayer. Now children, I will show you these questions once again. Make sure that you write it in neat handwriting in your copies and without any mistake. And write the way I have written. Touch the lines and then write. So, this was all there for today, children. Thank you.